a G major chord. And I'm going to play it this time with the pinky there and the ring finger there, because that ring finger is going to stay in the same spot and share the same note as when I go to a D chord, which is the next chord we need. And then we need a C. And then there's the occasional E minor. Alright, so here's how it goes. You know, in the original Clapton version, he's kind of just picking it really lightly, like... He's taking it real easy in the band's just, you know, it's a subtle song. But I think most people are going to be playing this, you know, by themselves, you know, and wanting to just strum away. So yeah, you know, you can pick out little notes to pick through the progression if you want, but really I'm going to teach it with this rhythm. So it's just if we went to a G chord, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if that's hard for you, just practice it with one chord. Okay, so here's the progression of the verse. Each one of those rhythm sequences is a chord. So we have G with the rhythm, D, C, then back to D. So it goes like this. So that's the first part. Then it goes to a C, and then a D, and then a G with a walk down to E minor. I'm going to show you how to do that. So it goes C, D. Then all we do is we take middle finger off, first finger goes up to that note. You could actually strum it, or you could just play that note. It's a little passing tone to E minor. And then it goes C again. You look wonderful tonight. Right into back into the first part I showed you. So let me show you the second section there. C, D, so. So one more time on that section. C, D, no middle finger at all there, and then E minor. Yes. Okay, very simple. It just repeats that many times through the verses, and then there's a bridge, and it's just that C section. And, you know, if you're familiar with the song, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's just that same thing, but then this time it's C to D, and then just C to D again. Okay, let's let's learn the tasty lick. Okay, here we go. Now there's different spots where you can do this lick, but if I'm going to teach it where you could play it on an acoustic or electric in the same spot. Because on the electric I might want to play it up here. See what I mean? It's pretty high up if you don't have a cutaway. And I don't. So I'm going to play right here. It's all the same notes. Exact same notes on a different spot. So we're going to put our ring finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Right there. Ring finger, middle finger behind it on the same string. First finger behind that on the same string. So in other words, we're bending this note up, but we're going to use all 3 fingers for the strength. So you got to keep the pressure down up as you bend it up, and keep that pressure so the note's ringing out on the way down. One more time. Then the 8th fret on that same B string. So, and 10, all on the same fret. Then same bend again, but then middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string. Then the lick again. Then 10, up a whole step, and then pinky with a half step, and we're going to put our first finger on the 10th fret of the high E string, pluck it and then slide it up to the 12th, and then back to 10. Check it out. And now with that pinky right there, you could, slide your ring finger up a half step as well. Which I would imagine most of you will want to do that. But the pinky is important, so, definitely try it. Alright, so that was a request. We're here at GuitarJams.com. You can sign up over there to be my friend and make a request. That's what this one, request. Wonderful Tonight. I got probably 20 requests for this tune. And it's a real nice song, and you can sing it for your lady. They like that.